In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use long and short position tool in TradingView Mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place both tools on your chart and read them clearly so you can visualize entries, stops, and targets with confidence. First, open the TradingView app on your phone. Make sure you're on the market and time frame you want to analyze so the position tools line up with the price action you're actually trading. Next, head to the Charts tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll do all your planning and where the position tools live. Now tap the pencil icon at the bottom to open your drawing tools. In the search field, type long position, then select it. Drag on the chart to place it where you want your trade idea to start. You'll see a green area for potential profit and a red area for potential loss. This overlay shows an entry line, a stop loss line below, and a take profit line above. It instantly visualizes your risk to reward, helping you check whether the setup meets your plan. If you need more precision, zoom in on the chart before placing the tool so your lines align neatly with key levels. When you're ready to explore the opposite side, tap the pencil icon again, search short position, and place it on the chart the same way. The short tool flips the layout. Entry near where you place it, take profit below, and stop loss above. Use it whenever your idea is bearish and you want to see the downside target and protective stop at a glance. A few helpful notes as you work with these tools. Use them on the time frame you actually execute on to keep distances realistic. Remember that larger time frames generally imply wider stops. And let the visual risk to reward guide your discipline. If the reward doesn't clearly justify the risk, consider waiting for a better setup. Keep your charts uncluttered so your position boxes remain easy to read. That's it. Open TradingView, go to Charts, use the pencil to add a long position, then repeat for a short position. Practice placing them until reading the entry, stop, and target becomes second nature.